Okay.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Koshkonong to near Elkhorn, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, New Berlin, Brookfield, Menominee Falls, Watertown, Whitewater, Pewaukee, Fort Atkinson, Sussex, Heartland, Jefferson, Mukwonago, Delafield, Elm Grove, Lake Mills, Wales, Okauchee Lake, Oconomowoc, Lisbon, and Vernon. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is a doubleheader.
The severe thunderstorm warning for